Lacking structure in your life, you need to embody Capricorn. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how. We'll learn all about Capricorn's traits, their rulerships, how to embody Capricorn and activate that energy in your own life so you can climb to the top and be successful like the little sea goat that you are. I'm Alethea, your favorite mystic mentor. I help my clients embody the life of their wildest dreams all through their astrological birth chart. If you would like to receive a one-on-one birth chart reading to help you align with the life of your fantasies, okay, click the link in the description box. I would love to give a reading to you. Let's dive into all things Capricorn. Capricorn is an earth sign. They are grounded, they are stable, they are structured, they are practical. They are also a cardinal sign, meaning they move first, they take action, they do the hard thing. Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline, the planet of boundaries, the planet of restrictions. The tarot card that rules Capricorn is the Devil. The Devil, a lot of people can think that's a negative card, but it's really not. It's just about the routines and the structures that you are bound by, that you have made commitments to, and that you show up every single day and you are in alignment with, which is like such a beautiful Saturnian Capricorn energy. Capricorn physically rules your skeletal system, your bones, hence the structure. The entire structure of your body is Capricorn. They are ruled by the 10th house, which is your public image, your career, if you own a business, all that magic stuff. Capricorn is here for the slow climb. They have a vision and they don't just dream it, they don't just think about it and wish about it, they actually take action and build that vision step by step. It might be slow, like I said, just as a mountain goat moves up the mountain, and maybe not the most logical way to us. They always get to the top. They always get to the top, okay? Step by step, brick by brick, they're going to receive that success and bring their vision to life truly through action, through diligence, through consistency, through discipline. Those are all big words for Capricorn energy. And I know some of us magic folks hate to hear that, but you know, it's just the truth. Consistency and discipline is going to get you to where you want to be in life. They bring long-term success, not just like one and done, one hit wonder type thing. They are here to build an entire legacy. Huge, big business is what I think of when I think of Capricorn. CEO energy, like the head of the company that's going to be around for years and years and years and years. Beautiful. Capricorn is also about, you know, just like taking your time to make things happen. I feel like so many people in today's society think that success is overnight. You're going to wake up and be successful once you decide you want to do something, especially in the manifestation community. And while yes, that can happen, more often than not, it's going to take some work. It's going to take some diligence. It's going to take patience. It's going to take consistency. It's going to take structure and routine. And that is what Capricorn is all about. And like I said, they always reach success and they always reach long-term success. Like this is the tried and true method to make things happen for yourself. Capricorn is very grounded. They are very ambitious and goal-driven. They want to see things through. They want to build legacies. They want to do the boring work that's going to give them the life that they desire in the end. Okay, my angels, let's get into our embodiment practices, shall we? The very first thing is to set a long-term goal for yourself. Whether it's a year, 5 years, 10 years, set a long-term goal. And then break that goal down into monthly, weekly, daily milestones. Whatever sounds best for you. So you know that you are on track and you are actually moving toward that goal. You're not just expecting it to come into your life. You are making it happen. So what's your big goal? And what are your weekly milestones to help you get to that goal? Love that one. Next, you're going to want to create a stable structure or routine. Now, this can be a little bit different for everybody, depending on where Saturn is in your chart. If it's an immutable, a cardinal, or a fixed sign, your routines are going to look different. I can help you understand more about that in my one-on-one birth chart readings. We can talk through that. If you want to receive one, go ahead, click the link in my description box. Otherwise, just know wherever your Saturn placement is, if it's in a fixed sign, you're going to want the same routine every single day. If it's an immutable sign, you can kind of switch it up and change and adapt throughout the days. If it's in a cardinal sign, you're going to want to create routines that excite you. Move with your passion, move with your excitement. For example, my Saturn is in Aries. Happy Saturn return to me, guys. Woo woo. And that's a cardinal sign, so I really have to build my routines around what excites me. Like, I move in the moment. I move very impulsive. I do have routines. I do have things that I stick to, but I change them often to what feels good to me. I cannot do the same thing over and over again. My fiance, on the other hand, does have a fixed Saturn, and he likes the same thing all the time. Does it drive me a little bit crazy? Yes, but that's okay. It's his life, not mine. So look at your Saturn placement in order to create routines that work for you. Yes, stable, structured routines. I recommend having like a morning routine and an evening routine. One of my favorite ways to create routines is a mind, body, and soul practice. Do something for your mind, do something for your body, do something for your soul in the morning and in the evening. This will help you fully embody that Capricorn energy and, bring your dreams to life. Okay? Next, I want you to take one consistent action daily. One thing that you do every single day, outside of brushing your teeth, because I hope you brush your teeth every day, hopefully twice. What else can you do that is going to bring you to this legacy, to this big vision that you have for yourself? What is one thing that you can do every single day to bring you there? Can be small, can be big, depending on the amount of time that you have and the amount of time that you are willing to commit to your dream. Okay? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever you have, do one thing daily to bring you there. Put a reminder on your phone, like now, okay? Right now. I want you to do this stuff. It's going to bring you success, I promise. Next, honor your physical body. Capricorn is an earth sign. It is so important to remember that the earth is the physical realm, meaning your body. Honor your body, listen to your body, work out, build in a stable exercise routine, feed your body good food, stretch, walk, do what you can to drop into your body and take care of it. Nervous system regulation is great too, especially when you're going after big dreams and big goals. It's super common that your nervous system can freak out. Okay, some of my favorite nervous system practices are breathing, somatic shaking, EFT tapping, whatever really helps you to feel good, do that. Okay. And then finally, our last embodiment practice is to lead something. Show up and be a leader in any area of your life. It can be small, it can be big. You can host a big group. You can just lead something at home, whatever feels good to you. Capricorn is all about like big CEO energy. Like I said, like leading, building, being in charge. Do that to embody Capricorn. Now, of course, we have our 2 journaling prompts. Let's get it. Number 1, what legacy do I want to leave behind? Oh, I love this question. What legacy do you want to leave behind? You know, when you come up with that, write the answer in the comments. I want to know, what legacy do you want to leave behind? That is such a big, juicy question that can help me really understand you and celebrate you. So please journal on that. Write your answer in the comments. I'll be there cheering you on, okay, babe? Next is, where in my life am I ready to commit to something long term? So good. I love this energy. So lovely. If you want to live a life filled with magic, creativity, wonder, and self-expression that is like blown out of the water, subscribe, babe, okay? That is exactly what I'm going to be bringing you. And when you put that energy into me, I'm going to give it back to you tenfold. That's just how it works. The more my channel grows, the better the content I can bring to you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video if you found it helpful at all. And as always, I love you a million times over. You enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.